Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chacha. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking you guys to my auntie's farm. Not actually my auntie's farm, but my auntie works there. It's a farm. They started up in this village, and I was like, in my village actually, it's Yalangwa. If you don't really know where I'm from, just check my channel intro video. You will get to know about everything about me there, like most things about me actually. So guys, she called me and told me we paid for a full chicken this morning, so she told me I should come and collect it. So guys, I'm heading there right now, so let's see what that place looks like. So guys, let's keep our finger crossed and see what that place actually looks like, because I've not been there before. So bye, let me don't blab too much.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So beautiful. Wow. Guys, like literally this road is so lonely. God, are you seeing how many people have you seen? Guys, I'm trying to locate the farm. I don't know, I've not been here before. I'm seeing if I can see anyone to ask questions. I've called my auntie and she's not picking, so I don't even know exactly, but I think this is the farm. Let me show you guys. But I think this is the farm. I don't know if you can see it. That should be the farm, like this door. But I don't know the entrance. Like I don't even know whether it's this way or there's a way that went like this. And I'm trying to call my auntie and she's not picking. Guys, I'm so confused right now. I got Moses. So guys, let me show you the farm. This is it. It's a very large farm. Like, I don't know if I'm allowed to video, but let me just try. I think this is like some of their staff kind of quarters, offices, and this is the farm. Okay, I don't know if you guys are seeing it clearly. This is the farm. There are more. I don't even know if I'm allowed to move down. I don't know if you can see down. Yep. I don't know, but this is the farm.
Don't try nothing. I walk one close to you. Let me speak.
Okay.
Are you doing it? This one is 2.5. Then let me show.
Guys, this place is so big, like, oh my god.
Where you kick my fast? Why don't ask me? I don't. Collect.
Guys, the chicken here is so much. Can you imagine? This end, wow. Even plantain trees. I don't know. I think this should be their staff quarters or something. I don't know, but it's still under construction, so I don't know. There's still some. I think should be. When I get close, I will get a better view of it. So guys, I'm heading back right now, but I don't know some things, and my auntie is not free enough to show me around. But she said next time, maybe anytime she's free, she can show me around. But I think this should be like a back gate. I don't know what this is, what this particular part is for. Let me show you guys. Let me get it. This is just still the chicken aspect, I think. But I don't really know what here is for. I don't know what they want to rail here. Yeah, I'm scared, but let me just enter. So guys, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know what this part is for. Can't find anything. It's okay. Wow, it's snail. Wow, wait, let me see if I can get a close view of it. I don't even know. It's snail, I think. Because I think I can see one or two snail there. But this is the snail section. This is water, I think. Yeah. I don't know, this is the control section. I don't know if I can get here. I don't want my phone to fall inside the pond. But I think this should be the fish area. The fish aspect. Should be the fish aspect. Should be the fish. Yeah, see it. I don't know if you can see them. Wow, guys. This should be the fish aspect. Wow. Oh, I think she said I'm going home. I'm going back home now. But I think she said anytime she's free, because they are very busy right now. So anytime they are less busy, she will invite me, and we will have a proper tour of this place. Guys, this place is so big. Like, I don't know if you guys can observe it from the video, but this place is really so big and very well arranged. Though they are still, I think this should be all this, their okra stuff like that. And wow, nice tent, very nice big tent. I don't know if you guys can see a close view of it. I don't know, the sun is too much. So guys, a lot of procedure at the gate. I think I need to pause this video and attend to the procedure at the gate. Wow, guys, wow. This is actually my first time here. I've heard about the farm, but I've not really been here. But thank God I came here today, because I've been thinking about wow. Guys, can you see that? Different sections of tents for different stuffs. So guys, don't mind my face. Like, it's so hot here, and I don't want to, I don't even feel it came urgently, so I didn't apply makeup on my face. But just pardon me, I just said let me do this for you guys, a tour of this lovely farm. I just hope I tried. You understand? Though my auntie said it's allowed, but she didn't have enough time to take me around the farm, so I just had to get as much as I could, and but next time I hope I can get a full picture of the farm properly and the proper tour, and maybe I'll do that. If you guys want, you guys can tell me in the comment section. So guys, let's head home now. I'll still show you the way to the house and some other things. So let's go. So guys, I'm going to still follow that scary part again. God, I don't even know how scary that part is. I also wish it was a bit free like this. That part, guys, be cool. I don't want the unexpected to happen. Well, let's keep our fingers crossed. Now, this people's farm, guys, corn. This is my village. They love corn. Everybody's farm must have a touch of corn inside. This is a beautiful environment, guys. Can you see that? Guys, I have enough stuff for you guys. Like, this is my village. I didn't even know that there are some parts like this. Can you imagine? But Lord, just look at the view. I don't even know how I can just get this lovely view, guys. This view is wow. It's wow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's go, guys. I'm so tired. I'm already getting tired. Guys, this scary part again. This scary part again. No. God. The bush might not look big to you, but the way you guys reaching me. Guys, I'm finally out of the road. Guys, this is someone's farm. Like, this is someone's farm. So guys, I'm back. I'm back to my house. So I just hope you enjoyed that little tour of the farm. This is like the only and biggest farm around my village for now. But hope in the future we'll get to have more. So guys, please subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.